Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change keyboard background with your photo on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, using your photos as the keyboard background allows you to express your identity, interests, or creativity through your device. It reflects your personality and makes your device more reflective of who you are. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, display your keyboard. After that, select the icon in the top left corner, and then you can choose Themes. So here, select the first option, and you can choose a photo to use as the background for your keyboard. And then adjust the size of your photo accordingly. When finished, click Next. After that, choose the keyboard style you like, and select a suitable color. Okay, you can also choose your preferred font type and swipe style here. And then customize the color, brightness, and blur level. Okay, after that, select an effect that suits your preference. After finishing, adjust the sound settings or leave it if you prefer no sound on the keyboard. Lastly, click Save to apply the changes. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change keyboard background with your photo on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.